Alright. We're gonna add a lock to our window. These sash locks, a lot of times they don't work. The window doesn't line up because the top sash has been painted in, your wood's running, the screw loose or holes are loose. A lot of reasons why these do not work. So I'm going to add a hinge to the window frame to take place in that sash lock. And this works pretty good. I think it's better than putting a screw in the sash or putting a peg in there, or I've seen slide locks used in multiple places. I think this is better than that. Now the wood here, I don't even think the wood that I'm screwing into is original. It's not the original finish on the wood, so this would be okay in this situation. Now if it was original finish, original wood, maybe you might think different. But here, this works pretty good. And no one's going to use a credit card to shimmy your lock open. Okay, so that's my easy repair to lock a window up.